In this video, we're going to be discussing the best adhesive for metal. There are a lot of different adhesives out there, and it can be tough to figure out which one is the right fit for your project. We're going to discuss the different types of adhesives, their benefits, and which one is the best fit for your needs. So make sure to watch the video. Please subscribe our channel right now. So let's get started. 1. Gorilla 2-part epoxy. The 2-part, gap-filling Gorilla epoxy formula sets in 5 minutes and easily bonds steel, aluminum, glass, wood, ceramic, tile and most plastics. Plus it dries crystal clear, ensuring your projects look spotless. Asterisk not recommended for use on polyethylene or polypropylene plastic or similar materials. 5-minute set, has several repositioning times for a perfect fit. Permanent, fast, gap-filling, and strong, perfect for multiple surface applications. Perfect for challenging repairs that require a gap-filling, solvent resistance, and durable bond. It dries clear, ideal for easy and clean finishing. Contain a syringe that is easy to use, separates hardener and barrels or resin to keep epoxy from hardening. The syringe has a cap for multiple uses and dispenses evenly. 2. JB Weld Original Cold-Weld Steel Reinforced Epoxy. JB Weld is the original Cold-Weld 2-part epoxy system that provides strong, lasting repairs to metal and multiple surfaces. Mixed at a ratio of 1:1, it forms a permanent bond and can be shaped, tapped, filed, sanded, and drilled after curing. At room temperature, JB Weld sets in 4 to 6 hours to a dark gray color. JB Weld Original, it was developed as a perfect alternative to torch welding. It offers lasting and strong repairs on multiple surfaces and provides a stronger bond than steel. It's ideal for automotive, DIY household, craft repair, marine, among other things. Cure in set time. When you mix the tubes at a 1:1 ratio, it'll take between 4 to 6 hours to set and between 15 to 24 hours to cure. After it has cured, it can be filled, tapped, molded, sanded, and drilled. Its cure and set color is dark gray. Dependable and versatile, the product is reinforced with steel. It can withstand a temperature of 287 degrees Celsius, 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It also offers a tensile strength of 5020 psi. After it has completely cured, it becomes resistant to chemicals, acids, and petroleum. Surface applications, you can apply it on plastic and PVC, metal, concrete, metal, fiberglass, ceramic, and tiles. Do it yourself, DIY whether small or big, you can DIY. It offers superior quality, results, and performance for the strongest bond in the world. 3. Gorilla Original Gorilla Glue. Original Gorilla Glue built a name for itself with its incredible, industrial holding power and versatility. The water-activated polyurethane formula expands into materials to form an incredibly strong bond to virtually anything, making Gorilla Glue your solution for almost any project or repair. It is incredibly versatile and strong. It's the best multi-purpose waterproof glue. Best for both outdoor and challenging indoor repairs and dissimilar surfaces. The product is 100% waterproof, it won't break down when you expose it to outdoor elements. It can be used on stone, foam, concrete, metal, wood, glass, and much more. The product is solid, it expands 3 times into metals to create a powerful bond. 4. Gorilla Super Glue Gel. Gorilla Super Glue Gel is an easy-to-use, thicker and more controlled formula. Great for multiple surfaces and vertical applications. Developed for long-lasting repairs in an instant, the clear glue dries in 10 to 45 seconds. This super glue gel is specially formulated to absorb drops and impacts. Gel formula, it uses the gel formula that is perfect for application on vertical surfaces. It has an anti-clog cap that keeps the glue from drying out. After application, it's Gorilla Tough. Impact Tough, the product is designed for strength and increased impact resistance. It has a fast setting and doesn't have any clamping. The product also dries in 10 to 45 seconds. It bonds wood, rubber, metal, leather, ceramic, paper, and more. It's, however, not recommended for use on polyethylene products. 5. JB Weld Steel Stick Steel Reinforced Epoxy. Steel stick is a hand-mixable, steel-reinforced, non-rusting epoxy putty that quickly repairs or rebuilds anything made of metal. After mixing, it forms an industrial-strength polymer compound that can be molded into shapes or used to build up, patch and repair steel components. The product is reinforced with steel and is non-rusting. It can quickly rebuild or repair anything that is made from metal. It's also safe when in contact with potable water. Set and cure time. After you knead the two-part formula using your hand, the product cures in 1 hour and is set in 5 minutes. Its cure color is dark gray. Product strength and features. The product possesses a shear strength of 900 psi. It can withstand temperatures of 176 degrees Celsius, 350 F. It can also withstand intermittent temperatures of 232 degrees Celsius, 450 F. The product is against hydraulic fluids, petroleum, and other chemicals when cured. The good thing is that it can be shaped, drilled, molded, and tapped. Surface applications. It bonds with plastic and PVC, copper and brass, iron and stainless steel, aluminum and bronze, and fiberglass. Do it yourself, DIY. Whether small or big, you can DIY everything yourself. It delivers superior quality, results, and performance for the strongest bond in the world. Thanks you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Now you can pick your best adhesive for metal. Please share this video, like, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for the upcoming new video notification. Thank you.